Hi friends, in my previous videos we discussed the sampling distribution and students t distribution. Now we'll discuss chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution provides a measure of correspondence between the theoretical frequencies and observed frequencies. If OI I running from 1 to n and I running from 1 to n respectively denotes a set of observed and estimated, that is expected frequencies. The quantity chi-square denoted by chi-square and is defined as follows: chi-square equal to summation OI minus EI whole square divided by EI, and here degrees of freedom will be n minus 1. Chi-square test helps us to test the goodness of fit of the distributions. If the calculated value of chi-square is less than the table value of chi-square at a specified level of significance, the hypothesis is accepted, otherwise it is rejected. Now we consider examples. A die is thrown 264 times and the number appearing on the face, that is x, follows the following frequency distribution. Here x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is faces, and f, that is number of times: 40, 32, 28, 58, 54, 60. Calculate the value of chi-square. Here the frequencies in the given data are observed frequencies. Now assuming that the dice is unbiased, the expected number of frequencies for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to appear on the face is some value, that is 264 divided by how many face, that is 6, equal to 44 each. Therefore the given is observed, that is y values. Now the expected is 44 each. Now we have the formula chi-square equal to summation OI minus EI whole square divided by EI. Now difference is 4, next 12, and so on, but we can take the difference square. Therefore first 16 and divide by 44 because EI, and here EI is common, therefore I will take common 1 by 44 outside. Then difference square is 16, difference square is 144, difference square is 256, difference square is 196, difference square is 100, and difference square is 256. By simplifying we will get 22. Consider one more example. Five die were thrown 96 times and the numbers 1, 2 or 3 appearing on the face of the dice follows the frequency distribution as below. Number of dice shown 1, 2 or 3 is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are x values. Now the frequency, that is number of times: 7, 19, 35, 24, 8, 3. These are observed value. Test the hypothesis that the data follows a binomial distribution. Here our data follows binomial distribution. Using binomial distribution we need to calculate expected value. Here chi-square at the 5% level of significance is 11.07 for 5 degrees of freedom is given. The given data is observed frequencies and we need to calculate expected frequencies using binomial distribution. Therefore, probability of single dice throwing 1, 2 or 3 is here 3 numbers, therefore 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. The sum is 3 by 6, therefore 1 by 2. If P is 1 by 2 and Q is 1 by 2. Therefore, the binomial distribution of a fit is n into P plus Q to the power n. Here this n is 96 time and n is 5 dice and PQ is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now the theoretical frequencies of getting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are x values. Success with the 5 dice are respectively the successive terms of the binomial expansion. We have here 96 times, therefore 96 should be multiplied, and we have the binomial function ncx p to the power x q to the power n minus x. Here n is 5, x is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But here our p and q, that is the bases are same, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, then we can add the powers. Therefore, x plus n minus x cancel, will get only n. Therefore, we can calculate using different x values. First, by putting x equal to 5, x equal to 5, therefore 96 1 by 2 to the power 5. Next, x is 4, 1 by 2 to the power 5. 96, x is 3, 5c 3, 1 by 2 to the power 5. 96, 5c x is 2, 1 by 2 to the power 5. Next, x is 1, 96, 5c 1, 1 by 2 to the power 5. 96, 1 by 2 to the power 5. We'll get the, by simplifying, we'll get the values 3, 15, 30, 30, 15, 3. Now these are the expected value. Therefore, we have the formula chi-square is summation observed value minus expected value whole square divided by expected value. Therefore, difference square is 16 by 3, difference square is 16 by 15, difference square is 25 divided by 30, difference square is 36 divided by 30, difference square is 49 divided by 15, difference square is 0 divided by 3. By simplifying, we will get 11.7, which is greater than given value, that is 11.07. Hence the hypothesis is rejected at 5% level of significance. Now we consider one more example. A sample analysis of examination results of 500 students was made. It was found that 220 students had failed, 170 students had secured third class, 90 students had secured second class, and 20 students had secured first class. Do these figures support the general exam result, which in the ratio 4, 3, 2, 1 for the respective categories? Here chi-square at 5% level of significance 7.81 for 3 degrees of freedom. Let us take the hypothesis that these figures support to the general result in the ratio 4, 3, 2, 1. The ratio sum is 10. Therefore, expected frequencies in the respective category are 4 ratio divided by ratio sum is 10 and total number of students 500. Similarly, ratio is 3 divided by sum ratio is 10. Next, total number of students, and ratio is 2 divided by ratio sum 10 into 500 total number of students, and ratio is 1 divided by ratio sum into 500 total number of students. We get the expected values 200, 150, 150. These are the in the ratio 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the observed value are given, that is 220, 170, 90, 20. And we have the formula chi-square equal to summation of observed minus expected value whole square divided by expected value. Next, difference square 400 divided by expected value, difference square 400 divided by expected value, difference square 100 divided by expected value, difference square 900 divided by expected value. By simplifying, we'll get 23.67, which is greater than given, that is 7.81. Then the hypothesis is rejected at 5% level of significance. Consider one more example. 4 coins are tossed 100 times and the following results were obtained. Fit a binomial distribution for the data and test the goodness of it. Here chi-square value at 5% level of significance is 9.49 for 4 degrees of freedom. Number of heads, these are the x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this frequency, that is observed value, is 5, 29, 36, 25 and 5. And here we need to calculate expected value again, like as last example, using binomial distribution. Therefore, probability of getting head, that is p equal to 1 by 2. If p is 1 by 2, q is 1 by 2. Then we have the binomial distribution formula 100, that is number of times tossed, and 4 coins, therefore 4cx p to the power x q to the power n minus x. Here again our bases are same, then we can add the powers directly. Will get 1 by 2. Here x will cancel to the power 4. Now by varying x values, by putting x equal to 0, we will get 6.25 in this formula, and by putting 1 we will get 25, by putting 2 we will get 37.5, by putting 3 we will get 25, and by putting 4 we will get 6.25. These are the expected value. Therefore, these are the observed values, these are the expected value. Then we have the formula chi-square equal to summation observed value minus expected value whole square divided by expected value. Then by simplifying, that is difference square divided by expected value, 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 difference square divided by expected value. By adding these, we'll get 1.2, which is less than 9.49. Therefore, hypothesis is accepted at 5% level of significance. Now we consider one more example with a other distribution, that is fit a Poisson distribution for the following data and test the goodness of fit. And here they have given chi-square value at 5% level of significance 7.815 for 3 degrees of freedom. Here x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and observed value, that is f 122, 60, 15, 2, 1. And here we need to find chi-square value using Poisson distribution. Therefore, we know that the Poisson distribution formula p of x equal to e to the power minus m into m to the power x divided by x factorial. Here these are the x values, but here we need to find m. Therefore, m, that is mu, mean value, is obtained by the formula summation fx divided by summation of f. It is frequency distribution. Therefore, f into x, 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 then by adding we'll get summation of x and divide by summation of f. Therefore, summation of f is 200 and this value is 0, this is 60, this is 30, this is 6, this is 4. By adding this we'll get 100. Therefore, by simplifying we'll get 0.5. It is mean value m. Now, the fx, that is 200 times, and p of x. Therefore, by varying these x values we have different expected values. By putting x equal to 0, our f of 0 is 121, that is first expected value. By putting x equal to 1, we will get 61, that is second expected value. We are taking approximate values. And by putting 2, we will get 15, that is expected value. By putting 3, we will get 3. By putting 4, we will get 0. These are expected value and given our observed value. Then using the formula, chi-square equal to summation observed value minus expected value whole square divided by expected value. Then difference square divided by expected value, 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 divided by the difference square divided by expected value. Then by taking addition we'll get 0.025, which is less than given 7.815 at 5% level of significance. Therefore, hypothesis is accepted at 5% level of significance.